Oh, seriously?
I'm not talking to you. I'm mad at you.
Oh no, really? What am I gonna do?
We are done. This conversation is over. Last word, me.
Last word.
Me.
Last word.
Me.
Last word.
Me.
Last word.
Me.
Last word. Last word.
Listen, I'm the alpha. I'm gonna eat this thing first.
I'm gonna be the new alpha.
No, there's no need for a new alpha. I'm the alpha. You're not even a beta. I'm the alpha. No, you're not the alpha. Oh! What just happened there? What did that thing just do?
What's that?
I'm sorry, where were we?
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna devour this thing.
I'm gonna bite her arm clean off.
You didn't bite her arm clean off.
This tastes like flowers.
Okay, stand aside.
And look at you. Look what you did.
I did the same thing you did.
Are you in love?
I am in love. Are you in love?
I'm in love, too.
I agree. Hey, guys! This tiny thing is now a wolf, everybody!
What?
What's happening?
We're keeping
Back
it.
of the pack. We're keeping it.
Okay, thank you.
Ah, look at that. The delivery is now complete. Now I just need to find a way out of here.
Wait, you're not gonna deliver her to her actual parents?
Baby doesn't know the difference because babies are dumb.
Oh, babies are not dumb.
They're super dumb.
Babies have a higher level of intelligence that we'll ever understand.
You sound like a baby that learned how to talk.
I am a baby that learned how to talk.
Hey, I want to teach you to walk around in circles.
Yes.
Before it lays down.
Yes,
That's
yes.
my favorite thing to teach.
Don't get too close, you're gonna scare it.
I'm not out! No!
The baby, it's laughing.
Yeah, good for it.
No, okay, I apologize for what I'm about to do.
Ow!
Sorry. Sorry.
That's my face!
Why did you stop? Come on!
Okay, I get the plan. I can fake it. I can fake it.
Okay, fake it.
Ow! Wait, hold on a second. Okay, wait. All right, I have an idea. Imagine how much harder she could hit me if you cut us down.
Oh, yeah, I could really wail on this guy.
I mean, you don't have to go that hard, but...
Oh, I think I do. Oh, I'm still mad at you.
Cut him down!
Grab a stick or something.
Wait, what?
Do you want more? Will this tiny twig be enough?
Yes!
No! Bigger! Get the biggest twigging and vine!
Sorry, Junior. Gotta give the people what they want. Grab the baby. Let's go.
Why wouldn't you stop hitting me?
I was distracting them. Untie the bridge.
I know. What do you think I'm doing? Suck it, wolves!
Wolfpack! Form of Wolf Bridge.
What is happening?
The wolves are forming a suspension bridge.
How is that possible?
I don't know.
All right, let's go. We're probably gonna die!
Let's go.